नमस्कार. आयच्या हेडोनाक तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आनी आज आमचे असे गेस्ट आसात म्हाका दिसता जांच्या डायरेक्शनाची एक्सपिरियन्साची आनी डॅमेज कंट्रोल स्किलाची तांच्या पार्टीक प्रचंड गरज आसा. आनी एकच पार्टी जी इलेक्शनाच्या तोंडार स्वता बरोबरच झगडटना आमकां दिसता ती म्हळ्यार काँग्रेस. आनी काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुईझिनबा फालेरो आमचे बरोबर आसात. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. सर, पयली गजाल सांगात की कितें चल्लां. म्हळ्यार म्हाका एक गजाल कळना की तुमी हरशी BJPचेर बी बाण मारपाक जाय. हांगा तुमचे लोक तुमचेरच बाण मारतात, तुम्हीच इंजर्ड जातात. व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग अँड हाव व्हॉट इज युअर प्लॅन टू टॅकल सच कायंड ऑफ थिंग्स?
म्हाका तरी व्हडलोसो सरप्रायज दिसना. काँग्रेस पक्ष म्हणजे एक चळवळ आनीक लोकशाय मानता म्हणटकूच खंयच्याय जे काँग्रेस पक्षाचे जे वर्कर्स आहा, कार्यकर्ते आहा, तांकां आपलें मत सांगपाक अधिकार आहा. पूण हांव मानता तुमी सांगता तें जेन्ना लोकशाही पद्दत प्रमाणे पक्षान तेमी चलपाक जाय ती एक शिस्त आनी मर्याद सांबाळपाक जाय.
लोकशायेक एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आसता न्ही.
देखून हांवें पयलेंच जेन्ना 1.5 वर्स आदीं जेन्ना गोंय आयिल्लो हांवें सांगिल्लें की काँग्रेस पक्ष तरी आनिकूय मजबूत आनी अखंड जातलो जाल्यार मॅजीक वॉन्ड ना पूण मॅजीक फॉर्म्युला आहा. आनी मॅजीक फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे पयले सुवातेर शिस्त सांबाळपाची, एकवट सांबाळपाचो आनी कॉन्सॉलिडेशन एंड स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझेशन. ह्यो 3 वस्तू केल्यो जाल्यार काँग्रेस पक्ष जरूर जैतिवंत जाता आनी आतां जायत आयिल्लो आहा.
पण आता जो बोवाळ चल्ला तातूंत भितर थोडे तुमचे आमदार म्हणटात मोगोव वतात, थोडे जाण म्हणटात की आमी आमगेले इंडिपेंडंट कितें तरी करपाक पळयतात. आनी तांचो सगळ्यांचो एक आर्ग्युमेंट आसा की तांकां काँग्रेसी भितर सद्या होप दिसना, कितें तरी जातलें. तुमी जी म्हणे की काँग्रेस ही एक चळवळ म्हणून, ती चळवळ परत तितलीच प्रभावी जातली आनी इलेक्शनाचे तोंडाचेर तितलो एक कॅम्पेन सगळो उबो जातलें हे तेच म्हणटात की आमकां विश्वास बसना. सो वी आर लुकिंग आउटसायड, वी आर लुकिंग एट ऑप्शन्स. वॉट वूड यू टेल देम?
म्हणजे तांकां एकूच मॅसेज की लुईझिन फालेर जरी तो 1.5 वर्स आदीं गोंया आयला कित्याक सोनिया गांधीन रिक्वेस्ट केलें न्हू, इट इज नॉट फॉर माय पर्सनल एजेंडा, इट इज अ पार्टी एजेंडा. आनी पार्टी एजेंडा हांवें तुमकां पयलीं सांगलां. आनी दुसरें म्हणजे आमी नवे तरुण तरणाटे नेता तयार करीत आहा. वी हॅव टू प्रमोट न्यू फेसीस. आनी जेन्ना नवीन तोंडान तयार जाता आनी सिनियर लिडरूय आहा, केन्नाय एकामेकाक शिंगां हाडपाक शकता.
ना, ती शिंगां आपटोवप तशी बरी तशी आसतल्या, तातूंतल्यान एक नवीन कितें तरी तयार जाता, नो डावट अबाउट इट. पण प्रॉब्लेम कसो जाता जेन्ना विजिबली तुमी जेन्ना खंय तरी माचयेर बसतात तेन्ना जर तुमचे सायडीन पळयलें सगळे जाणटेलेच बशिल्ले आसतात, ते तरणाटे एक तर फाटल्यान आसतात किंवा माचयेर आसत नात. ना, हातूंत भितर 2 भाग आहा. तुमकांय दिसता आसतलें की तुमचे सायडीन तरणाटे बसचे, पण तुमगेले कांय जाणटेल्याक इतली संवय आहा की ते येवन कोण बसची पयलींच खुर्ची धरून बसतात तुमचे सायडीन, अशें आसता. बट दीस इज अ रियल प्रॉब्लेम की जे माचयेचेर खुर्ची सोडनात ते इलेक्शनाची तिकिटां सोडचे नात. थंय मागीर आनीक फुसांव जातली. वॉट इज युअर प्लॅन टू टॅकल सच कायंड ऑफ थिंग?
हांवें पयलें सांगलां की जेन्ना गोंय तरुण गोंयची जी तरुण तरणाट्यांची लोकसंख्या आहा 5.5%, तर उणे 50% हे पावटी नवीन तोंडां, न्यू लिडरशीप लोकां मुखार दवरपाक जाय आनी हें काम जोरान चलता. आतां काँग्रेस पक्ष हो एक नवोच पक्ष न्हू, हो इज वन ऑफ द ओल्डस्ट and one of the largest democratic party not only in India but in the world, democratic world. ही महात्मा गांधीचो पक्ष जावन काँग्रेस पक्ष. तर जाणटे आसतलेच, देखून आमी जाणटेल्यांचो आशिर्वाद घेवपाक जाय, नवे तरणाटे तयार करपाक जाय आनी जाणटेल्यांक टायम येयलो म्हणटकूच कुशीन रावपा जाय आनी तरणाट्यांक फुडें घालपा जाय.
हे तुम्ही पयली दिसासावन सांगतात
हय.
वीच आय कॅन सामके व्हेरी तुम्ही पयलो इंटरव्यू जो आमी केल्लो तुमी गोंयांत येतली तेन्ना सावन तुमी ही गजाल सांगतात. पूण कितली जाणटेल्यांनी तुमची हें काना मनार घेतलं अशें दिसता तुमकां आनी खरेंच घेतला काय कितें?
ना तुमीच म्हणटा की देर इज अ कन्फ्लिक्ट म्हणून. इफ देर इज अ कन्फ्लिक्ट इट कॅन बी ओन्ली बिकॉज ऑफ दीस. अदरवायज एवरीथींग इज गोईंग स्मूथली. आनीक सांगपाक एक खूश भोगता की फाटले 1.5 वर्साक आमी जे ऑर्गनायझेशन कन्सॉलिडेशन आनी स्ट्रेंथनींग म्हणलें हें काम पूर्ण जायत आयिल्लें आहा.
पण म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात इन धीस सिनारियो तुम्ही म्हणटात की तुम्ही 50% तरणाटे किंवा न्यू फेसीस दितले म्हणून
एटलिस्ट
एटलीस्ट 50% इज अ व्हेरी प्रॉमिसिंग एश्युरन्स कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्टेट काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट. हे करतना तुमचे काय रिवोल्ट जातले, काय जाणटेले पिकार जातले जांकां रिटायर जावपाची इच्छा ना, लोकांनी घर बसयले आसत तांकां घर बसपाची इच्छा ना, अशी लोक आपूण निवडणुकी उबे रावतले. तांची प्रेशरा सकल येवन हे 50%चे फाल्यां 40, 30, 20 जावपाक शकता. or you are going to hold your ground आणि ते तुम्ही करतलेच.
जशें हांवें
There will be
सांगितलां
consequences. If you do that, there will be consequences.
No.
You are doing a right thing, and sometimes right thing has some dangerous consequences.
आमी समजून घेया
हय.
की तुमी आतां जे उलयता कांय लिडर हांव तरी 8 वर्सां देली आशिल्लो. हे जे लिडर आहा तांकां कोणेंय बंद केलें ना काम करपाचें. But somehow for the last 8-9 years we lost the government. And we lost the government very miserably. फाटले 4.5 वर्सां we are in the opposition. I am here only for the last 1.5 year. कोणेंय आमचे जे सिनियर लिडर आहा तांकां काम करना म्हणून सांगलो ना. We have not stopped any senior leader from working. So right now the seniors as well as young are working. If any fellow is feeling threatened, they should understand that one day we have to build a leadership, the young leadership, and this leadership has to go forward. And some young leaders, we have also to tell them, see, we want you to be the leaders, but have patience. So we can have a mix of both, the senior leaders and the junior
म्हजो
leaders.
प्रश्न हा की जी 20 सीट तुम्ही दिता म्हणटात थंय सुद्दां एक वेळ रिवोल्ट जावपाक शकता सिनियरांचो, बंड जावपाक शकता. तें बंड पचोवपाची तयारी दवरून तुम्ही हो अजेंडा मुखार व्हरतले काय लायक बिकॉज आय एम सेयिंग इट आउट ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स. प्रत्येक खेपेक जेन्ना तिकीट दिवपाची परिस्थिती येता तेन्ना खंयच्यान नाल्यार खंयच्यान कोणाची प्रेशर येतात, कोणाचे आनी कितें तरी इन्फ्लुएन्सीस असतात, ते सगळे यूज करून तिकीट हागेले ताका दिवप, हो इन्फ्लुएन्स मारून थंय व्हरप, असली सगळी बुरशी गजाली चलता. त्यो बुरशी गजाली जायनासतना एक क्लीन तिकीट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑन द फॉर्म्युला that you are proposing जातले ह्या खेपेक इतली तरी आशी गोंयकारांक दवरपाची.
100%. See, there are two issues. Issue number 1, कांय मतदारसंघ आसले आमगेले सिनियर लिडर फुडें सरपाक तयार नासले, पूण आयज त्याच मतदारसंघांत नवी पिळगी, न्यू लिडर्स आर ऑलरेडी रेडी. In fact, the biggest challenge is when we have got more than one leader, how to bring them together, how to convince them, see, you all stay united and contest. Where there are young leaders and old leaders, then again it will be amongst the new leaders and the old leaders will have to bring them together. Your question was
Yes.
that there is so much of
My experience
so much of conflict between the new leaders and old leaders. The problem is they had been going very slow. You will see from next month onwards, we have given a demand, we have given a message, we have asked our cadres now who are revived, you go back to the doorsteps of the people. लोकांच्या दारा मेरेन वसात, लोकांक मेळात. Praja e Raja.
आणि एक
People are the masters, learn to serve them better. And you will see the difference. Congress party, when they go house to house, and I can assure you, we have trained our people, we have trained the Youth Congress, we have just finished the training of the Sevadal yesterday, and from next month onwards, people will be going, the Congress cadres, the Congress party, Congress frontal organization will be going house to house to meet the people and also explain to
it will
them.
be a really a welcome change if Congress decides to go house to house and work very hard on field. पण एक प्रॉब्लेम असा, तो प्रॉब्लेम म्हळ्यार तुमचे आमदार. तुमचे कडेन इलेक्शन जाले तेन्ना 9 आमदार आशिल्ले, मागीर 9चे 8 जाले, मागीर 8चे 7 जाले. आज परिस्थिती अशी आहा की आमी जेनिफर मोन्सेराताक तशे प्रॅक्टिकली काँग्रेस आमदार ऑफिशियली आसतले, बट प्रॅक्टिकली आमी म्हणप खूब डिफिकल्ट जाता. दुसरे वटेच्यान पयले पांडुरंग मडकयकार ऑलरेडी भायर पळयता, इज लुकींग अवे फ्रॉम काँग्रेस. बाबू कवळेकारा बद्दल आमी कितल्योश्योच गजाली आयकतात. विश्वजीत राणे इज ऑल्सो वॉयसिंग हिज ओपिनियन्स व्हेरी ओपनली वॉसिफरसली. अशी परिस्थिती भितर लास्टाक उरता ते दिगंबर कामत आनी प्रताप सिंग राणे इन टर्म्स ऑफ MLAs. वन इज द एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर अँड सेकंड इज द लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन. हाव वरिंग इज दॅट फॅक्टर टू यू? और तुमकां दिसता की बरें जालें, हे जर सगळे जाण त्रास करपी आहा ते गेल्यार बरें जालें, नवीन कितें तरी करपाक मेळटलें अशें बी दिसता? वॉट इज युअर पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू अबाउट युअर ओन MLAs?
I don't want to cast aspersions on all leaders. तुम्ही म्हणले आता बाबू कवळेकर. बाबू कवळेकर is a strong pillar of Congress party. Last 3-4 days he has been there, physically, personally present for the training.
The pillar
programs.
wouldn't move.
He won't move.
He won't move. Okay.
Whatever is your
What about
figment
Pandurang?
of imagination, it may be there.
So what about Pandurang Madkekar?
Pandurang Madkekar, I can tell you, had been hurt. You see, Pandurang Madkekar tried to, if you can recollect, he was in the Youth Congress. When Nirmala Sawant was given ticket, he joined Maharashtra Gomantak party, he got elected. Then he joined BJP. He was a minister in the BJP government. He was having revenue and transport. Then he joined Congress. When he came back to Congress, he was hurt because his portfolios were removed. Then he was made minister in the next government. Then he was dropped. Of course, now after I came, I made him the general secretary, I made him the spokesperson. But he is having some feelings. So you have to understand every leader who have got also their aspirations and their problems, and you have to assure them, see, if there is an injustice, it was done during the earlier regime. He was dropped as a minister during the Digambar Kamat's time. I hope he was explained why they are dropping him and why they are bringing another fellow. But this is, you're right, this is not a time to raise these issues. This is a time for me at least to bring everybody together.
Will you succeed in bringing everybody together? You are saying Babu Kavlekar won't move. तुमकां विश्वास आसा की पांडुरंग मडकयकारय मूव जावचो ना म्हणून? Or Pandurang Madkekar, you are saying that I will try, but I cannot assure that he
You have
won't
also mentioned about Viswajit. Now, Viswajit himself has given a statement, and he said that he was misquoted. He is strongly with Congress. So every leader is sometimes figment of imagination or sometimes misunderstanding. But I can tell you one thing: Congress is marching ahead. That space which Congress has lost to the BJP, the BJP has lost the space in the Goan political arena. And we are taking back that space.
You are saying that Vishwajit Rane will be with Congress. You are
I am not saying, he himself has said it,
Okay.
and you have quoted in your own press.
Babu Kavlekar will be with Congress. You are saying you are trying with Pandurang Madkekar.
No,
to keep
Babu
him in
Kavlekar
Congress.
was never out of Congress.
Never out of Congress.
Never, never.
Okay, and you are saying that Pandurang Madkekar, you are trying. You are
No.
trying to.
Pandurang Madkekar is with the Congress. He has at least never told me that he is outside Congress, he is leaving Congress. He has spoken to me. But I also know
That there are issues.
There are issues where he was given a raw deal. After he joined from MGP to BJP, he joined Congress back. And he was assured that his portfolios would be maintained. His portfolios were dropped.
So you are saying that there are
Thereafterwards,
issues
he was made a minister in the next term. Then he was dropped.
so you are
as
saying
an
there are
MSK.
issues that need
No,
to be
that
addressed.
issues, this should have been addressed earlier. And these issues, if somebody wanted, because for example, during Digambar's Kamal's time, he was dropped. He should have been explained. So I don't think there is a big problem. You see the positive side. Positive side, we have built the organization. We have got young people who are ready to take over. And we have got good, well-trained people who knows the Congress ideology.
Now that's a very, very, very positive development. एक गजाल महत्वाची असता की जेन्ना हे फाउंडेशन तुम्ही घाले बुनियाद घाली आणि एक वंटी रेडी जाल्या आता पण अल्टिमेटली वयर छप्पर जाय पडटा रूफ जाय पडटा आणि एक दॅट इज लिडरशिप अशी परिस्थिती आसा की आय डोंट एक्सपेक्ट प्रताप सिंग राणे टू बी सामके ओवर एग्रेसिव्ह आणि हें बिकॉज of his seniority, his age, and he has maintained himself in a particular way, and it is appreciated also. But इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार एक सर्टन एग्रेसिव्ह लिडरशिप जाय पडटा आता ती एग्रेसिव्ह लिडरशिप लोकांक तुमचे कडच्यान एक्सपेक्टेड आसा बट फ्रॉम द टायम यू अरायव्ड इन गोवा यू हॅव बीन रिलक्टंट अबाउट कॉन्टेस्टिंग यू हॅव बीन रिलक्टंट अबाउट कमिटिंग युअर सेल्फ टू active electoral politics where you are saying that I am going to contest. Today at least on my show, Luizin Bhav, can I expect that simple announcement that all Congress workers, all Congress blocks are waiting to hear from you that you are contesting, you are taking the leadership role and you will be in the fray. Can I expect that announcement today or I am again getting a diplomatic answer?
तुम्ही दोन प्रश्न झाले.
Oy.
The first part of your question is whether you are ready to take the leadership. See, by the grace of God, I have been always blessed by the people of Goa and by the state of Goa for giving me the opportunity and a platform to show my leadership and to also serve the people of Goa in my humble way. I can say this with all humility, and I had my share of successes and my share of failures. I also am blessed by God for having opportunity to serve my party at the national level. And I can tell you with pride that 8 years I was in Delhi, God has rewarded me and my party also has rewarded me, wherein I was instrumental in getting 5 governments, not once, some government twice. For example, Arunachal I got twice, Meghalaya I got twice, Mizoram I got twice, I got Manipur, Karnataka. Of course, now since I am here, we have lost quite few of
Absolutely.
them.
The post Luizin Falero effect is quite visible.
Yeah, but there I didn't contest the elections.
Correct.
I worked.
Yeah, but there you are a desk in charge.
And most modestly, let me say, it was not a less leadership.
Absolutely.
Here also, I mentioned to you in your channel more than once, I have not come here with my
Absolutely.
personal agenda.
Agreed.
My agenda is a party agenda.
Agreed.
And even though there were pinpricks, because some of our senior leaders, nobody stopped them from working for the party for the last 8 years. In fact, we lost the government. But nobody stopped them from working for the last 4.5 years. I'm here only for the last more than 1.5 year. But you see the difference. Today we are charged. We are in a fighting mode. We are going to go house to house.
Correct. Luizin
And
Bhav, that is the
therefore I
foundation.
feel
Yeah.
it is not a less leadership.
Absolutely.
It is more leadership. Sometimes it takes courage to say, I don't want to contest, but I will see that the party gets victorious.
That's possible. That's true. Foundation is laid. वंटी वयर सरल्यो. Ultimately roof जाय. Are you going to provide that roof of leadership
Definitely yes.
by contesting?
That I cannot say, but definitely
still
I
not
will.
committing that
I
you are
will
contesting.
provide the roof. I will provide whatever is necessary, because my leadership,
This is about
my
5
leadership
months,
in Delhi,
5 months before the election, you are not committing that you are contesting.
contesting or not contesting is not an issue.
It is an issue.
But giving the leadership to the party is the issue.
Yes,
And I
but-
have
but
given the
people
leadership.
feel charged
And
when
you
the
will see, no, you will see people will be charged more
People
during the
feel charged.
next 2-3 months.
People feel charged when the captain is playing with them on the field. When the captain is in the strategy room, they might feel charged.
That is-
but they will still look at the captain as the strategy man. When they look at him as a player, that makes a huge, huge difference.
Why don't you see good examples? There are many leaders.
You're saying I'm only looking at bad and negative examples, okay?
Many leaders who gave the leadership to the state, who got his party massive majority, and who brought the government.
Absolutely.
No,
Are you saying that you will play the role of a kingmaker, but you wouldn't attempt to be the king? Are you making at least that clear? I'm not asking your commitment on contesting, but are you telling your cadre that I am not contesting, but I am here to make sure that the party comes to power, and I will give my 100% to do that, but I will not contest? Are you at least making that thing clear, or you are keeping that question open?
I will not make that comment at this stage.
Still keeping it open. Okay.
I will make my comment at the appropriate time.
Okay.
Because right now I have no time even to think about myself, because my full time will go for the building of the party, which has already been done, and for the success of the party. And you will see, we are coming out with a mission document. We are coming out with a vision document. We are coming out with a manifesto. By end of this month, we are coming out with a charge sheet against the present government, the failure report against the present government. We are coming with the anthem of the Congress party. So Congress party will be on all out war.
Last question.
Yeah.
In this war, are you looking at an united front of all the opposition, minus Aam Aadmi Party obviously, or you are also keeping that question open for appropriate time?
Very good question. And I will give you a reply. Let there be no confusion. We have empowered our organization. Gone are the days when party, just on the eve of last day of filing nomination, they used to declare their candidates, and poor fellows could not even go in the
Campaign.
field.
Yeah.
Now, since we have got the blocks, we have empowered the blocks, and we have given the timetable to the blocks to identify the candidates, the prospective candidates, put it to the districts. We have given a time limit to the districts to identify the prospective candidates, give to the PCC, Pradesh Election Committee. In fact, today we are having a meeting of Pradesh Election Committee. Once the district committees give it to the Pradesh Election Committee, Pradesh Election Committee will take a view and will send it to the Central Election Committee. It is only then I can reply to your question, but we are much in advance. We will take a decision in advance.
And I only
and
hope-
I will quote the General Secretary of the party, who said the other day, we are preparing for all the 40 constituencies.
Okay.
And remember one thing, with BJP government at the center, if you try to have one group here, one group here, one group here, now you have seen.
तुम्ही
In-
म्हणता,
in-
even
in-
in
in-
post-poll scenario,
No, in-
BJP will break these factions and take them with them.
Ah,
So there is no point in alliance.
don't give a fodder in their hands. You see what they have done in Uttarakhand? Even though Congress had absolute majority, the BJP party tried to break them.
Magar-
Now, 1 minute,
All
let
right.
me complete. See what has happened in Arunachal. I was involved in the previous election, where out of 60 as in charge, we could bring 42. That is more than absolute majority. In the last elections, which I preponed, we had 47 out of 60. See how they try to break a strong consolidated
So it has
party.
to be a completely Congress.
If you want
Yeah.
to have a stable government in Goa,
It has to be a one-party government.
it has to be a stable government.
Okay, so,
And
so
to have a stable government,
Yes.
you cannot have motley crowds
Okay.
who will be soon after the election waiting and then pledging their support whichever side they feel is
Okay.
giving them the showing them the carrot.
Maga last
Now,
सांगा, okay, good
therefore,
commitment.
I am saying
Yeah.
I am not preempting anything. I am only quoting what our General Secretary said, and he has said it after consulting the State Coordination Committee on 2 occasions. It is not his view. After meeting and chairing the Pradesh Executive Committee on 2 occasions, he has said that we are preparing to fight for all the 40 constituencies.
Maga last एकच
We
commitment
will
जाय
we have empowered our committees.
म्हाका
Let
last-
them give the report.
म्हाका लास्ट एकच कमिटमेंट जाय तुमची जी नावां तुमच्या ब्लॉकान धाडल्यात तातूंतल्यानच कॅन्डिडेट येतले न्ही काय वेल्यान आनी कोणा पॅराशूट करून मागीर वेगळे इन्फ्लुएन्स वापरून घालतले
I'll tell you.
ओनली दॅट कमिटमेंट
I'll tell you one thing.
या
You see, your question
या
is whether you will take only the candidates which has come from the blocks.
फ्रॉम द बॉटम या
Yeah. See, I have seen, I have gone through through some of the recommendations of these different blocks. They have given sometimes old names and also the new names. There are some blocks who have given only the new names. There are some blocks who have not given certain names, which has now come in the district committees. So once the district committees take a final call, we'll be able to know whether any injustice is done
ओके
to any candidate in the block level, so that they can see that that injustice is remedied at the district level. If there is any injustice at the district level,
नो नेम विल बी इंक्लूडेड फ्रॉम द
that
टॉप
no, I'm just saying, if there is any injustice at the district level, it can be remedied at the PCC level. And after the Pradesh Election Committee takes a decision,
दैट्स ऑल
I'll tell you, I had an experience because I was the chairman of the screening committee.
So once
or
PCC
for a
decides,
state
Congress
like-
will close the list.
No, 1 minute, I'll just tell you. Because it's very, very theoretical, and I have to give you a practical reply. When I was the chairman of the the screening committee of the Karnataka state, I had 1,300 applications for 224 constituencies. That means technically we had to reject more than 1,000 candidates, and that means we had more than 1,000 rebels. So we had to manage them. At the same time, there is something called social engineering.
Correct.
In some places, suppose you have no ladies and you may have to bring a lady from out. In some places, you mean social engineering, you have to give representation to different communities from different stratas, different
So you are saying all these factors will be considered while doing the final distribution.
final district.
विजन बाब इतलू सगळं बोवाळ चलतना आयले इतली बरी मुलाखत दिली थँक्स अ लॉट इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग
No, nice meeting also.